What should sellers expect when working with an Amazon PPC marketing agency, and how do you know if it's a good one? This is a topic dear to my heart, and I created a full-length video about exactly what to look for. Please find it under my YouTube channel, Noemi Bolojan, what to do before hiring the correct PPC agency. I am going to still answer your question. Look at the traits you're looking for someone to have, and don't look at this is a PPC agency. Look at, if I would hire this person tomorrow, which are the things, the characteristics I want them to know, and do they have them? And based on that, it's going to be clear if you're looking for accountability. Hey, what is their communication? Do they provide weekly report, monthly report? What is their strategy? Do they have weekly calls, monthly calls? Do they still communicate the way I'm expecting them to? They do. That's great. They might not have the weekly and monthly calls, but they are always communicating, replying to your messages. They're very detailed. They are going to provide reports. They're going to provide everything what you would need. And it's no problem that you don't have the weekly or monthly meetings. So that's why I'm saying, look at which are the things that are really important for you. Are you looking for a strategist or a follower? By strategist and follower, I mean, are you looking for someone to take decision for you, do actions on your behalf, see whenever it's something profitable, it's something that you should be worth investing, or are they looking for your guidance? Are they asking you what to do next? The reason why I'm saying this is because most of the time, that is one of the biggest complaints that I'm hearing. Brands that are not only selling on Amazon, but in general from the agency space. There's a lot of complaint on, they are hoping for a strategist, someone is going to grow their account, and they are hiring a follower, someone who is going to check, okay, that was it. And then they are going to throw strategy, inventory, and everything else that is theirs to take care of on the client. Or the client's going to choose someone who's super cheap, and it's like, yes, we're managing everything and doing everything. And it's like, yeah, it's not going to work because they're not doing all those things. Or the third thing, and this is tricky because I fell into this trap. I thought that if someone is performance-based, they're going to perform better just because they're motivated. Because whenever I am making money, they're going to make money. Doesn't work. Right? Even if they say they are performance-based, do ensure they know your category that you're selling in. They already had success in whatever you're doing, and that they are literally communicating with you, sharing all the updates, showing how they are really in it as if they are part of your own team versus, okay, whatever, I just take you as client, you maybe pay me $200,000, $300,000, and then, in 2-3 months, whenever you're not seeing the results, it's okay. That's why I'm saying that it's really important to sit down and whatever traits that you are looking for that are most important for you, write them down and see if the agency, if the marketer, if the whoever you would hire this out to, if they have it or not.